Guys, what's going on? I'm going to show you our next project here. This is not a motorcycle, and I don't normally mix. That's why I divided the channels up, because the algorithm hates it when you have more than one theme or niche, right? But we've got this project we're going to do here. It'll probably take a few days, but yeah, we have this this 2004 Ram, and it was an inherited vehicle, so not much invested. She's kind of been sitting. She's really dirty. I have replaced the cam sensor and the crank sensor and the EGR. Those things fail pretty commonly on the big Hemi. But yeah, we're gonna do a little makeover, I think. I've got a new back bumper for it. I have to put the headliner back in. I think we're gonna go with she's locked. I think I'm gonna go with the Mexican blanket style seat covers. I have a black grill I can put on the front, and yeah, should be pretty cool. Might do something with the wheels and tires too. I don't know. But yeah, it's a good runner. It has about 120,000 miles on it. And right now, you know, it's mechanically it's in really good shape. New shocks on the front, the rear. But anyway, just wanted to show a before, and hopefully we can get some kind of interesting after video. Stand by. Well, we're back here a few weeks later after some elbow grease and a little bit of money on the bike hauler, our Dodge Ram, our beater. I guess she's less beaterish now. Let's whoa, don't drop this camera. Let's turn around and take a look. So we new front grille, cleaned up the front end, recolored the rubber that was losing its, can't really see it without the sun on it, huh? Recolored the discolored rubber. She's a little dirty. I had to drive her to work this week. We added some aftermarket wheels. These were on clearance at TireRack.com. So some all-terrain tires and some aftermarket wheels. This truck already has a 2-inch lift on the front. I don't know if you're familiar with Rams, but they have a pretty serious rake on them. They look like dragsters from the factory. This one has the big Hemi, so she's a gas guzzler. But we use it to haul our bike, so you know, this is somewhat bike related. We got the interior cleaned up. It needs a little more, but the important part is we got a headliner installed. Look at that. No more metal roof. Still waiting on a few parts for that to finish that up. We installed some plastic caps on the bed rails to cover up some dents. Also a tailgate cap there. Had a pretty big dent in the top, but that covered it up perfectly. And a completely new rear bumper. And a little train hitch there, you know, homage to the train site that I have on YouTube. Anyway, like I said, she's a little less beaterish now. Looking good. It's always nice to fix up an old truck or old car, that is. Either way, you get some more miles out of it, right? I think I spent maybe $1,500, which is about $50,000 less than a new truck. It only has 128,000 miles on it and runs like a top, so she's good to go for a few more years. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed that, and we'll catch you later.
vehicle